In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know 2 reliable ways to control how big your dimension text appears. One for updating all dimensions that share a style, and one for tweaking only specific dimensions you select. First, let's look at changing all dimensions that use a particular style. This is the best option when you want consistent text size across your drawing. Start by opening the Dimension Style Manager. In the command line, type DimStyle or just D and press Enter. The manager lists your available dimension styles. Choose the style you want to adjust. Then click Modify. In the Modify window, switch to the Text tab. Here, find the text height field and enter the new size you want. This number controls how tall the dimension text will appear for that style. Pick a value that's readable at your intended plot scale. Many teams use standard heights, but the key is clarity on printed sheets and on screen. When you are happy, click OK, then click Close. All dimensions that use that style will update to the new height, keeping your documentation consistent without manual edits. Now, if you only need to adjust a few dimensions without affecting your entire drawing, use the Properties palette. Select the dimension or dimensions you want to change, then open Properties by pressing Ctrl-F or by typing Properties in the command line and pressing Enter. In the palette, scroll to the Text section and locate the Text Height field. Enter your new value there. This applies an override just to the selected dimensions, leaving the underlying style untouched. It's handy for exceptions, tight spaces, or callouts that need a slight emphasis. Keep in mind that these overrides won't follow future style-wide changes, so use them intentionally to avoid inconsistency later. When you finish, you can leave the Properties palette open for further edits or close it to get back to drafting. A couple of practical tips as you work. Make changes in small increments, especially on production drawings, and zoom in to review legibility. Before moving on, if something doesn't look right, you can immediately adjust the value again in the same place. Consistency matters, so prefer the style-based method for most situations and reserve the properties method for specific, justified cases. That's it. Thanks for watching.